camping just got a whole lot cooler. From gadgets that light up the night to tools that make outdoor cooking a breeze, we're revealing 7 must-have camping gadgets you never knew you needed. Stick around to the end to discover a device that'll completely change the way you camp. Let's dive in. Camel Crown Tents for Camping. First up, the Camel Crown Tent for camping. This tent is designed for all-weather durability with its water-resistant polyester fabric and sturdy frame. It's perfect for families or solo adventurers, offering easy setup and excellent ventilation for a good night's sleep in the wild. And here's the best part. It packs light but is super spacious inside. Comfort meets convenience. Favorlight LED Camping Lantern. Next, let there be light, literally, with the favorlight LED Camping Lantern. This compact powerhouse has an ultra-bright LED that can light up your entire campsite. It's rechargeable, weather-resistant, and even doubles as a power bank for charging your devices. Talk about a multitasking must-have. Folding storage. Organization is key when camping, and the folding storage box is a lifesaver. Whether you're storing food, clothes, or gear, this collapsible container is lightweight and incredibly easy to carry. Once you're done, fold it flat, and it takes up virtually no space in your car or tent. Simple and efficient. Let's Camp Folding Camping Chair. Comfort in the wilderness? Absolutely. The Let's Camp Folding Camping Chair is your ticket to relaxation. With a sturdy frame, ergonomic design, and a built-in cup holder for your drink, it's the perfect companion for sitting by the fire or soaking in the view. And yes, it folds up neatly for hassle-free transport. Pop-up pod, privacy shower tent. Privacy on a campsite? Yes, please. The pop-up pod privacy shower tent is ideal for changing clothes, taking outdoor showers, or even as a portable toilet space. It's lightweight, pops up in seconds, and packs down just as easily. A must-have for group or family camping trips. Solo Stove Light. Meet the minimalist's best friend, the Solo Stove Light. This portable wood-burning stove is perfect for boiling water or cooking small meals. Its unique design ensures maximum heat efficiency with minimal fuel, making it eco-friendly and incredibly lightweight. Perfect for backpackers and survivalists. SZHLUX Camping Hammock, double and single portable hammocks. And last, but definitely not least, the SZH Lux Camping Hammock. Available in both single and double sizes, this hammock is made from durable, lightweight fabric. It's easy to set up, packs down small, and is ideal for those lazy afternoons in the woods or even a quick nap under the stars. Pure relaxation. So, there you have it. 7 must-have camping essentials that will upgrade your outdoor adventures. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more outdoor gear reviews. Until next time, happy camping.